Hello, Ankur and Govinda. I would like to welcome you both as our esteemed speaker for AI Test Fest, which is happening on 22nd March at Nagarro, Gurgaon Hive. So, welcome you all in this interview. Welcome you both in this speaker interview series. So, without killing time, I would like to request you both to just introduce yourself a bit so that we can go further down in the interview series.
Hi, Amit. Sorry, my voice is differently now, but my name is Ankur, and I'm working with Nagarro from last 3.5 years. So I'm having total around 13.5 year experience, and I worked with different domains and technologies. So if I talk about the different domains, I worked with the retail healthcare, right? And now I'm working with the Cox Automotive, which is the biggest client in the US. So I worked on the different technologies. So I started with my career with Selenium. Then I switched to the AP testing, and then currently I'm working as data and flutter automation tester, where I'm working to automate the different mobile applications, and also I'm using the AP testing. So as I mentioned that I'm working as automation lead in Nagarro, and yeah, that's little about myself. And I reside in Chandigarh, uh, you know, and Infosys was my first company, and from that city only, I am growing myself and learning new technologies. That's
Excellent.
right.
Thank you for the brief intro. Govinda, can you please go ahead?
Yeah, thanks, Ankur. So, hi, Abhay Ankur. I have been with Nagarro from around 3.5 years, similar timelines to Ankur. So, I was in the same project with Ankur. We joined in July 2021. And I also have similar kind of experience. So, I have been in Accenture for 6 to 7 years. And I worked as a test lead there. And I have worked on multiple uh, tools like Selenium, Tosca, and Playwright. Currently, we are exploring that. So, after Accenture, I joined Voice as a test manager, and there also I explored multiple tools related to automation itself. And at that time, AI was not there, so we explored some drag and drop technologies like TestCell or Tosca. And post that, I joined Nagarro, and from Nagarro, I have been doing POC on multiple tools here as well, and trying to achieve automation. And other than that, I have been part of other activities related to Nagarro. I have also participated in this white paper publishing before also. Um, I have also participated in hackathon. It was also, I guess, sponsored by or hosted by ATA GTR. I guess this was the full name before. So I participated in 2022 in Voice, and yeah, that's all from my side.
Thank you so much for a brief introduction.
And currently, I'm in Pune.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah, that is why I was thinking that I have seen you somewhere, maybe when you were with Voice.
yeah. I was also going to ask you, might be in the project party or with or somewhere. Somewhere I have seen you.
I'm also a Nagarian, you guys know.
Yeah, yeah. I know that. I know that.
Okay.
But have you been
So
in?
I work with Nagaro, and then I also work for ATA for hosting all the events like ATA GTR, evening talks, whatever happens in Pune in association with ATA. I am part of that. So I'm an active volunteer of ATA. And with resulting that we are hosting Test Fest in Nagaro. And we have done one evening talk in September at Nagaro office only. Okay, so thank you so much for brief introduction. Now the second thing is moving towards your topic. So can you guys please put some light on your topic, that what you are going to talk, what you are going to present, and how it will help people, and maybe what was your learning towards this new era of AI, and how far it will take us uh, to the till the new technology comes up in the market, how far it will lead us in this changing market and changing arena and changing tech space. Daily new things comes up, so how far it will help us and how far it will go.
You, we don't even want to go. Yeah. I, I guess I have a network issue with my side and having a breakage. But yeah, if I'm clear, I can start. Am I audible properly or
Yes,
there is
yes, you are audible. Till then, can you please put some light on your topic, Ankur?
Yeah. So Abhi, so sorry again, my throat is bad. So basically, what we are doing is like we are comparing the wireframes, right? So our goal is to compare the wireframes and to get the differences. So what happened is like when we do the manual testing, right? So what we are facing the issue is like when we are doing the manual testing, we manually comparing the wireframes with the actual application, right? And it takes a lot of time to compare each of the fields, right? Sometimes we need to compare the text box, sometimes we need to compare this drop downs, and sometimes we need to see the layout of the UI with the wireframes, right? So just we wanted to get rid of this thing because a lot of effort is wasted in comparison, I mean comparing the wireframe with the UI, right? So in order to cope up with this issue, right, we suggest, we think of that what we can do. And as a result, we are trying to achieve, and we are trying to create one utility using the AI features, so which would compare the wireframes with the UI. So what you need to do is you need to upload the images of the wireframes and the UI, and it will give us the people like what is the difference between the application, right? So basically it helps to do the sanity testing beforehand, and it will save a lot of manual effort. Along with that, it is not beneficial to testers only. So the scope of the this utility would be to the devs as well, like when they are doing the unit testing or when they need to compare anything, right? With the wireframes, right, they can just do the comparison. And moreover, like when we are handing the code to the UAT, right, we can show this thing to the PO as well, right? And PO can discuss with the clients that this we have achieved.
you're not very. Yeah,
Hello,
yeah, yeah.
I'm not audible.
You're audible now.
You are audible. You are audible.
Sorry, might be my issues. Okay.
Okay. So basically, we will be, rolling out these features to the every person in the team, from the devs to the testers, from testers to the, POs, so that they can, use this functionality, and they can, leverage this, and they can, you know, um, do the comparison for the UI and the wireframes. And for that, we are planning to use one of the AI component, which is YOLO component, right? So still we are working on it, and we are on the halfway, and we have developed some things, but some things are still in progress. And basically, we will be getting some reports which will show the differences, and we can say back to the go back to the client again, that or to the devs, that this is the difference which we found during the primary checks.
Yeah, just
Now it's interesting. Uh, I would like to attend the session. Seems interesting that you guys are help.
Yeah, Govinda, you want to add something?
yeah, yeah. I was going to add that we thought about this because functional testing, unit testing, everything is being done already, but no one is thinking related to requirement. means wireframe level testing has never happened. We are even we are automation. So we thought we can leverage that leverage AI here so that we can directly compare the requirement with the actual product. So this is giving us the edge over actually everything is possible to achieve via automation, but this thing we need AI because it actually need strong models to capture the UI part and extract the data which will need to be compared, and that need a high level of accuracy, and that cannot be done via normal automation too.
Okay. Thank you so much, Govinda and Ankur, for the brief introduction. And it was really nice talking to you. Uh, Wishing you all the best for your session. And let's set up on 22nd March at Nagarro, Gurugram Hive. And let us make AI Test Fest a successful conference. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Abhay. Thank you for joining. See you soon.